Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys all of the products that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of April. I have been missing here on YouTube and Instagram for about a week now, and I'm really sorry that I haven't really been active on either of my accounts. I've been super busy, but I'm back now and I'm hoping to be more consistent starting this week. So in this video I'm just going to show you guys all of the products that I got in my box, and I'm also going to test them out for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing that I got in my box is from the brand Dr. Brandt, and it is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. We've gotten a bunch of products from Dr. Brandt in our Boxycharms, and I really like all of the products that I've gotten from them. I really like their exfoliator, and then I really do like the primer that we got a couple months ago as well. So this says that it's for combination and oily skin. After cleansing, apply a thin layer to the areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. So I think I'm mainly just going to apply this on my T-zone area, so like right in the center of my forehead, down my nose, and a little bit on my cheeks, and then on my chin, because that's where I have the most issues with my pores. So it is starting to get cool, and it's kind of turning like blue. I actually really like when I can like feel a mask like working. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit on my face for about 10 minutes and I will be right back. All right, so now that it's been on my face for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off with a warm cloth. Alright, now I'm just going to apply some foundation and concealer, and I will be right back. Alright, so my foundation and concealer is done. I did set right underneath my eyes with powder just because I didn't want it to crease. I haven't set the rest of my face yet because I want to go in with the next product we got. And this is from the brand Tarte. This is their Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Mine is in the shade Sparkler. I've never tried these before, but I've seen a lot of people use them. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm not like really big on liquid highlighters, so I think what I'm going to do is just put a little bit on my finger and dab it on the high points of my cheeks. Hopefully this isn't too dark for me. So right now it's just blending that out with my sponge. It just has like a subtle glow. It is a little bit darker than I would prefer on myself for a highlighter, but I do think it's really pretty. It's kind of like a peachy gold highlight. So I do think that the product is really pretty itself, but the shade is just a little bit too dark for me. I kind of have like a line on my face from where I put it. So I'm definitely going to have to go in with a lighter highlighter after I like set the rest of my face. So I think I'm going to apply some powder and probably bronze my face and do some blush and some highlight, and I will be right back. Alright, so the next product that I got in my box this month is from the brand ColourPop, and it's an eyeshadow palette. This is their You Had Me at Hello eyeshadow palette, and I think that they had a few different ones that you could get in your box. This is the one that I wanted, so I was really excited to get this. I just feel like all of these colors are more like colors that I would like gravitate towards. So I think I'm first going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to put this all throughout my crease. Now I'm just going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to kind of blend out the edges. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to put this directly into my crease. So now I'm just going to pick up some of this dark brown, and I'm going to use this to deepen up my outer corner. So for my lid, I'm having a hard time deciding which shades I want to use. I know I definitely want to go in with this like shimmery shade right here, but there's so many other pretty shades in the palette. Like there's this like light gold, then there's a more bronzy shade, and then this shade up here is kind of like a rose gold. So I'm first going to spray up my brush with some MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm going to go in with this light shade up here first. And then for the outer half of my lid, I think I'm going to go in with this shade over here because I feel like it really goes with the crease colors that I have going on right now. So far, I'm like obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. I think this might be one of my favorite palettes that we've ever gotten in our Boxycharm. So I only have 2 products left to show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my lower lash line and probably apply some false lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some false lashes, and I did fill in my brows with Dip Brow. I did get a brow product in my box this month. So I got the Browgal Instatint Tinted Eyebrow Gel. It says that it's a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill into their brows. So this seems like it would be a really good product for like every day. I don't normally fill in my brows on an everyday basis, but if you did want to just fill them in really quickly, this seems like it would be really easy and fast to do. So I'm just gonna run it through my brows. So I don't normally use a brow gel, but I actually really like the way that it made my brows look. I'm definitely going to continue using this. So the last thing that I got in my box is a liquid lipstick, and this is from the brand Adesse, and it's their high definition liquid lipstick. This is in the shade, I'm not sure what shade this is. The bottle of this is huge. So it's very like shiny and glossy. It says it's a creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick. It smells really good. Alright, so here's what the lipstick looks like. It's very, very glossy. It's like a super pigmented lip gloss, so I'm not sure how much use I'm actually going to get out of this because I haven't really been into like glossy lips lately. I've been more into like satin or matte lips. I do really like the color though. Alright, so that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of April. I'm going to quickly go through all the prices of all the products. So the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter retails for $29. The ColourPop eyeshadow palette retails for $18. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner is $47, so that's pretty expensive. The eyebrow gel is $22, and then the liquid lipstick is $24. So overall, I felt like it was a really awesome box again this month. Leave me a comment down below with what you got in your box. I know there were some different variations between like the eyeshadow palettes, and then I think other people got like a MAC lipstick instead of the Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlighter. So let me know what you guys got in your box. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you check out my description box below. I will have links to all of the products that I mentioned in this video listed there, and I'll also have links to my other social media accounts like my Twitter and Instagram. And before you leave, don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.